VACC's MotorTech gives subscribers an easy way to search for vehicle specifications and repair procedures. One part of this system is the Haynes Manuals AllAccess, which allows you to view all of the famous Haynes manuals online, with improved removal and replacement procedures and additional information. Haynes manuals are written from hands-on experience, based on a complete vehicle teardown by highly skilled technicians. These vehicles are then reassembled with all procedures verified against OE specifications. Haynes manuals offer a clear step-by-step instructions on how to complete operations ranging from the simplest to the more complex. Haynes AllAccess is the online portal within MotorTech to view these manuals and has many advantages and enhancements over the hardcover manuals, including high-resolution colour images and in some cases step-by-step video tutorials. Once logged into MotorTech, click on the Haynes AllAccess banner at the top of the page and the system will then open a new tab. Then select the make and model you require, then the specific version. Then click on View Manual Online, which will show you the index for all the different sections or chapters. If you want to confirm that the selected manual covers the driveline variant you are working on, this can be checked against the relevant specifications page for the system you are working on. The specifications page also provides you with torque specifications for the major components for that chapter. The different chapters and sections will give you the removal, disassembly, inspection and installation procedures for engines and drivelines, fuel systems, door trims, dashboards, exterior body trims and panels, steering and suspension, and many other systems and assemblies on the vehicle. Haynes manuals also provide electrical and wiring diagram information for many vehicle systems, which complements the coverage already available via Tech Online and Haynes Pro. So don't forget to check Haynes AllAccess if you cannot find the wiring diagram for the circuit you are looking for. If you are looking for the removal and refit procedures, Haynes AllAccess should be your first stop. Haynes Pro also covers some common procedures such as serpentine belts, timing chains and belts, transmission and turbocharger replacement. Also check for Tech Talk articles via Tech Online, which might be relevant to your search. And remember that the Technical Advisory Service has access to one of the largest known automotive technical libraries, full of removal and refit procedures, which is only a phone call away. To ensure you are getting the most out of your subscription, remember to search in all of MotorTech's online sections. Then, if you can't find what you want online, or are new to the system, call MotorTech's Technical Advisory Service and our team will assist you to find the information you need. Haynes AllAccess is available in all three VACC MotorTech solutions. For more information, visit motortech.com.au, email info@motortech.com.au or call VACC's MotorTech's Technical Advisory Service.